Everyone, I am at the Ridge in Ball Ground, Georgia. It's a beautiful day today, but the other day we had an open house for all the agents, and it was the rainiest, ugliest day ever. But everyone showed up, and so we did a gift card drawing, and we videotaped it, and I want you all to see it. And you all need to come see the Ridge. It is a beautiful community that's above Ball Ground, but still walkable to downtown. I don't know if you can see the mountains in the background. Give me a call if you want a tour.
All right, you drawing? We have 5 gift cards.
All right, for the first gift card
Close your eyes.
is Megan and Sean Chastain.
They get a $25
Apple gift card.
Apple gift card. Ding, ding. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, $25 Macy's card. Who is the lucky winner?
Kelly Rossett.
Kelly Ronson. Awesome. Kelly, you got $25 gift card to Macy's. This one is a $25 Home Depot card.
Okay, for the Home Depot card, we have
Shelly Hollingsworth.
Oh, Shelly Hollingsworth. Shelly, you got $25 Home Depot. All right, $25 Starbucks card. Here we go.
All right, here we go for the $25 Starbucks card.
No peeking.
Is Lori DiPucci.
Lori DiPucci. Congratulations, Lori. Okay, this is for a $25 Bath and Body Works card.
Okay, Bath and Body Works card, and the winner is Susie Connor.